Igbo bụ Igbo ekene m unu. Nnọọ na nkụzi ụbọchị taa, aha m bụ Nwaada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Na nkụzi ụbọchị taa, anyị ga-amụ maka ụlọ na ihe dị n'ime ya. Ọ bụrụ na ị dị nkwadobe, ka anyị bido. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about house and household equipment. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to know what different rooms are called in the Igbo language and also some furnitures and equipment. If you are ready, let's begin. Sitting room. Sitting room. Ime ụlọ ezumike. Ime ụlọ ezumike. Ime is inside, ụlọ house, ezumike is rest. So in literal translation, the resting house, but in English, sitting room. Ime ụlọ ezumike. Dining room, ụlọ erimeri. Erimeri is like feasting, yes? And when you eat with your family, it's like a mini feast. Ụlọ erimeri. Kitchen. Usekwu. Usekwu. We have a phrase. Usekwu nnem, my mother's kitchen. Bathroom. Ụlọ ihu mmiri. Ụlọ ihu mmiri. Bathroom. Toilet. Ụlọ mposi. Ihe eji ebi n'ụlọ. That is furnitures. Ihe eji ebi n'ụlọ. We have chair, oche, oche, table, tebulu, tebulu. Note that some words in English, in Igbo, we don't have the meaning, so we just transcribe to Igbo spelling and pronunciation. But in case if you find any meaning of these words that I just transcribed, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm always glad when I can learn new things. So let's continue. Bed, aqua, aqua. Mirror, enyo, enyo ihu, mirror, enyo. Television, onyonyo, onyonyo. And with that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two. If you have a question, if you have a suggestion, please don't be shy. Comment in the comment section below. It's for you. And remember, continue to practice. Don't be shy, don't be afraid, don't be embarrassed. Because only by practice can we make it up to